Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. On my left, we have the sleek and budget-friendly iRobot Roomba 694, and on my right, the all-singing, all-dancing, self-emptying iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Let's see which one of these bad boys is worth your hard-earned cash. First up, the almighty dollar. The Roomba 694 will set you back around $274. Not bad for a robot that cleans for you while you binge-watch Netflix. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is a bit more, ambitious at $549. It better fold my laundry and walk my dog for that price. Design-wise, the Roomba 694 has that sleek, minimalist look. It's like the little black dress of robot vacuums, simple, elegant, and always in style. On the other hand, the Combo i5 Plus looks like it's ready to take over the world. It's got a bin that empties itself. I mean, come on, it's practically a small butler. Let's talk dirt. The Roomba 694 has an auto-adjust cleaning head that adapts to carpets and hard floors. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. But the Combo i5 Plus? It's got a 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes. It's like the Chuck Norris of vacuums. Nothing stands in its way. Not even pet hair. Reviewers say the Roomba 694 is powerful and effective, especially for its price, while the Combo i5 Plus is praised for its superior cleaning capabilities, although some users found its software a bit rough around the edges. The Roomba 694 is no slouch in the brains department. It has adaptive navigation and can be controlled through the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant. Reviewers appreciate its basic yet reliable smart features. But the Combo i5 Plus? It's basically a genius. It learns your home layout, focuses on dirtier areas, and even understands more voice commands than a well-trained dog. Some users love its convenience, while others have found its mapping feature to be inconsistent. Maintenance time. The Roomba 694 runs for up to 90 minutes before it docks itself to recharge. It's like a responsible teenager. Comes home when it's supposed to. The Combo i5 Plus? It's the overachiever. It empties its own bin for up to 60 days. That's 2 months of not having to think about vacuuming. Reviewers appreciate the self-emptying feature of the Combo i5 Plus, although some find it a bit noisy. Now, the piece de resistance, the mopping feature. The Roomba 694 is strictly a vacuum, but the Combo i5 Plus? It's a vacuum and a mop. It's like a double agent, tackling both wet and dry messes. Just swap out the bin, fill it with your favorite cleaning solution, and let it go to town. Reviewers are thrilled with the mopping feature for smaller areas, making it a versatile cleaning tool. Overall, reviewers found the Roomba 694 to be a great value for its price, with effective cleaning capabilities and basic smart features. However, it does have some minor issues like getting stuck and noise. On the other hand, the Combo i5 Plus is praised for its powerful cleaning and versatile mopping features, although some users experienced issues with its mapping capabilities and software. Both products have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and budgets. So there you have it, folks. If you're on a budget and want a reliable, no-frills cleaning machine, the Roomba 694 is your new best friend. But if you're ready to splurge on a robot vacuum that practically does your taxes, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is the way to go. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, happy smart buying!